Hello everyone, greeting from ZONESUN. Today we would like to introduce our upgrade pneumatic strapping machine, item number B19 and B25. It was for both PP strap and PET strap. Compared to the last series machine, this one here is with larger cylinder, and also now when you put the strap onto the machine, you don't need to separate it into two double layers. Now you just need to put them onto the machine like this. You don't need to separate it anymore. So now I'd like to show you how to operate it. First of all, you get the strap, put it onto the cotton or your pallet like this. This size lower or at the lower side, and then put it on. Press here, put the straps on. Make sure they are in the same line. Also the lower one need to focus like 2 centimeters longer here like that. And press the tensioner. Okay. And press the welding for 2 seconds. Okay. Press this button to release the air inside the system. Remove it. See, it's like that. Okay, now I'll show you some problems you may meet when you are using this machine. When you put the straps on, and then you put the machine. Make sure you press this for one time thing. No, this is the wrong method. You need to press. Okay. It's tension enough, and you remove your finger and you press the weight in for like 2 to 3 seconds, depends on the thickness of your strap. Okay, make sure you release the air, otherwise you are unable to move away the machine in this way. Okay, so when you put the strap on, and you put the machine. Okay, so when your attention, suddenly when you find the strap is move away like that, it's not in the same line, you can press this button here to return back your strap. It's returning and remove the machine. Okay, that's all. Any questions, please feel free to contact us. Thank you.